Do you want to learn how to zoom in like this? Then zoom out in capcut and it's free. Follow me, like this video and share it, save it for later so that you will use it. Let's go, let me teach you.
Once you are inside capcut, tap on the video you want to edit to highlight it like this, then expand it small a little bit because you want to zoom in. You play the video. When you get to where you want to zoom in happen, click on keyframe. To where you want it to stop, click on keyframe again, then use your hand to zoom it back. Then do the same thing to where you want to zoom out to happen. Click on the keyframe again and click it again on where you want it to stop. Then use your hand, expand it and zoom it out. Voila, your zoom out is okay, is ready. Just zoom it out to the level you want it to be. Then tap on the keyframe again and click on split to stop the zooming out so that your video will go back to normal. This is the way you make your video interesting and professional. Please try it out. Comment on the comment section if you are going to try out these tricks. See you in my next video. Bye. Like this video, save it for later. Follow me for more.